Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of searching for a community in X. Searching for communities allows you to find and join groups of like-minded individuals who share similar interests. We'll provide a full guide on how to search for a community in X. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the community section. Step 3. Look for the magnifying glass icon and tap on it. This action will open the search function within the app. Step 4. In the search bar, type in the keyword or name of the community you're looking for. As you type, X will provide suggestions based on your input. Step 5. Once you've entered your search query, hit the Enter or Search button. X will then display a list of communities that match your search criteria. Searching for communities in X is a great way to connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and engage in discussions on topics that interest you. Whether you're passionate about photography, gaming, or cooking, there's a community waiting for you in X. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to search for a community in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.